Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar rose 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the gold rise 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose to three-week highs as China's latest easing of COVID-19 restrictions raised fuel demand hopes, and concerns that winter storms across the United States are affecting energy production continued to buoy prices. The dollar moved broadly lower, while Australia and New Zealand's currencies jumped as risk appetite grew after China said it will scrap its COVID quarantine rule for inbound travellers, a major step towards easing curbs on its borders. Crypto lender Vold said the potential acquisition by rival Nexo has been cancelled some 5 months after the two signed an initial agreement to explore the transaction, and less than a month before the Singapore-based target has come up with a restructuring plan.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. The US 5-year note auction will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Austrian Purchasing Manager Index at 0900 hours GMT. Korea's industrial output at 2300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.